Bunnies, my name is Neema. Welcome to my channel. I want to say a big thank you from the bottom of my heart to everyone who has been subscribing. Thank you so much for the support. So today we have a really simple recipe. It's just a 5-minute recipe and we are going to be making pancakes. Now, my best friend makes the absolute best pancakes and my man as well, he makes the best pancakes, but I'm going to try and replicate what they do. So I have over here 2 eggs and some buttermilk in this, and then I have salt, I have sugar, I use a little bit of ghee. That's my twist, and that's what I'm going to begin with. So I'm going to start with the milk and 2 eggs. I've just mixed them together over here like so, and those are our liquid. I'm going to mix those 2 together. So I have a whisk that I'm using. Just going to, and then I'm going to use a little bit of salt because every sweet thing needs some salt to balance out. So, and then I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of sugar that I have over here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, those should be enough. So whisking again. All the sugar is incorporated, and then I have some ghee. Now, me, I just think ghee is God's gift to us because I truly love this stuff. Like, it's good in curries, it's good in rice, it's good in so many things. It's good for baking. Mix that in, and then my flour. And then we're done. That's as easy as that. So I honestly don't measure. I just work with what looks sensible to my eye. Okay, so my butter is ready. Here is the consistency. Let me show you. This is the consistency that I have. Not too light, not too dense. So I'm going to add a dash of vanilla essence into there. Our butter is now ready. So I'm now using a ladle to scoop the butter as I put it in the pan over here. So I'm going to get my lights going. And then I'm going to wait for the pan to heat, and I'm ready to start cooking my pancakes. So I'm going to bring you a little bit closer, and then you can see what I look for to see if the pancake is done and stuff like that. So come right in. That one is done. So I'm going to repeat the same thing again. Okay, so here are my pretty pancakes. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm going to now dress them. A little bit of drizzle of honey, and that's it. Pancakes, they look so good. Till I see you again in the next video. Love and light. I love you so much. Keep safe, and yeah, bye.